Best natural home remedies for ringworm treatments. Ringworm is a fungal infection that can affect the skin, scalp, or nails. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment, there are some natural home remedies that may help alleviate symptoms. Keep in mind that these remedies may not replace medical treatment, and it's crucial to seek professional advice for persistent or severe cases. Apply tea tree oil directly to the affected area using a cotton ball. Tea tree oil has natural antifungal properties that may help combat the fungus causing ringworm. Apply coconut oil to the affected area several times a day. Coconut oil has antifungal properties and can help soothe and moisturize the skin. Crush a few garlic cloves to extract the juice and apply it to the affected area. Garlic has antifungal properties that may help in treating ringworm. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the solution to the affected area using a cotton ball. Apple cider vinegar may help create an environment that is unfriendly to fungi. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected area. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties that may help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Make a paste by mixing turmeric powder with water. Apply the paste to the affected area and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Add a cup of sea salt or Epsom salt to a warm bath. Soak the affected area in the salt water for 15 to 20 minutes. Salt baths may help soothe the skin and reduce itching. Dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Oregano oil contains compounds with antifungal properties. Mix a few drops of grapefruit seed extract with water. Apply the solution to the affected area. Grapefruit seed extract has antimicrobial properties. Keep the affected area clean and dry. Wash towels, bed linens, and clothes regularly to prevent the spread of the infection. Remember, if the ringworm persists or worsens, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.